Hello there, this is Jake12 and today I'm going to be showing you actually how to start a Nitro engine, and this can be for the very first time or just to start the engine. First thing you need to do is put fuel in the tank. This is 125/60 fuel tank, this SH18 engine, and I'm using 30% Nitro today. Next thing is to check that your electronics are working. Check that the steering and the throttle servos are working, this is working, and also the brakes are working. Next, you need to prime the engine. Block the exhaust and then pull the start using short, quick pulls. Once you've pulled it with the block the exhaust, make sure you can see the fuel going right into the carb, then prime it a bit more after that. Now, pull the starter without blocking, just to lubricate the engine. Check your idle gap, it should be 1mm open. Insert the igniter and pull the starter. To stop the engine, simply block the exhaust, or you can pinch the fuel line. There you are. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.